I show you my workflow from dough preparation to the finished bake using Dutch ovens. By the way, I have some other videos of open bake using a baking steel. Please have a look if you're interested. Now, what's fermentolyse? Add levain to flour and water. Mix just until there's no dry flour. There's no need to knead at this stage. I usually hand mix, but for this large dough of 3 kilograms, I used a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. It takes only a minute. Then I left it for 1 hour. Then I added salt with some extra water. I took it out onto the bench to incorporate the salt. Since the dough felt very stiff, I kept adding some more water until I got the familiar consistency. I wanted an extensible and smooth dough. For my flour, I started off conservatively with a 72% hydration and ended up with 75%. To find out, you can weigh the final dough and calculate. Now, the most important process, bulk fermentation. I've got many videos about this, so please have a look. After the initial slap and fold, which was about 4-5 minutes, I gave it a coil fold every half hour for 3 times. Then I left it untouched and waited until the dough had risen by approximately 60%. I use this container all the time, and it already has marks on the side. I know where the start line is and how far I want it to rise. I monitor the dough temperature throughout the bulk fermentation and decide how much I want it to rise. I wanted to show you 2 different versions of baking. First 2, I didn't spray any water, but this third one, I did. In the end, I'll show you the comparison. The oven temperature was 240 degrees Celsius, and my oven has a bread baking function, so I would say it's 10 degrees higher than 240. I preheated it for 40 minutes. After 25 minutes, I took them out and loaded the new dough and sprayed water this time, and baked the first 2 for 15 more minutes. Now they're done. Again, after 25 minutes, I took it out and I put it back for further 15 minutes. When I use this Banneton, I tend to get more blisters without spraying water. And this one's got the smooth surface. Shows the pattern quite clearly, which is nice. And this one, I just sprayed water. So lots of blisters. Here you go. Now, let's see how I went. So, blisters, bottom, nice rise, nice here. Voila. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Nicely open.